What up everyone, this is Mototutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Chrome installer failed to start error that you may be getting on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. The easiest way to fix this is most likely you either had some remnants of Google in your computer, or the installer tried to install it, it kind of failed, and then this basically error popped up. The easiest way to fix this is go to search bar, type in run, write in %sign local app data %sign. This basically opens up the local app data section for you to be able to, as you can see over here, get into the section here. And in here, you're going to find wherever it says Google, right click into it, and then just delete this folder. Then restart your computer, re-download the installer, or just re-click it again if you want to, and then install it from there, and you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. If you guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.